In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Last Epoch online play unavailable problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of two small steps. The first step is to clear Last Epoch's cache files. To do this, we go to search and open run. After opening run, type %update in the search bar and click OK. After doing this, click on update from above and then double click on local log. After doing this, delete the 11th hour games folder. Before we do that, we will copy this folder to the desktop. This is important because if our game data is deleted, we can replace this folder. We have cleared Last Epoch's cache files. Now, we are gonna verify the game's files. To do this, we open Steam. After opening Steam, right-click on Last Epoch and open Properties. After doing this, click Verify. This process may take some time. We have verified our game files. Now, we need to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to reset our internet with CMD. The problem may be caused by our internet. If this is the case, resetting our internet can help us to solve the problem. To reset our internet, we go to the search section and run CMD as admin. We opened CMD. There are 3 codes we need to write. These codes will be in the description section. You can copy and paste them into CMD from there. By the way, these codes will not cause any damage to our computer. We type the codes and press enter. We need to restart our computer to complete this process. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The third solution is to change DNS. We can try the DNS change solution to solve the problems caused by our internet. To do this, we go to search and open control panel. After doing this, click on view network status and tasks. Then click on the network we are connected to. After doing this, click on properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click properties again. What we need to do here is to use the following DNS server addresses. Then we set the preferred and alternate DNS server like this. Since this DNS belongs to Google, we can use it without any concern. Click OK and close the tabs. We changed our DNS. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.